I'm bored. Yeah, me too. What do you think we should do? I don't know. I'm gonna get my pistol from here. Hope no one, like, shoot us right now. Yeah, but what if someone did shoot us? Wait a second. Why do I feel like something is behind me? I wouldn't look behind you if I was you. Here's Johnny. Mm. Coming soon.